Hello all, hope you are well. In the last two videos, we looked at some of the basic terminologies related to stock market. We also looked at what a shareholder can earn when he invests in shares. Now in this particular video, I'm going to speak about the stock market timings in India. So overall, you can divide the day into 4 different sessions. First is the pre-open market session, which starts from 9 in the morning to 9:15. Then we have the trading hours, which last from 9:15 to 3:30 in the afternoon. After that, we have a closing session, which starts at 3:40 and ends at 4 p.m. And after that, we have an aftermarket session, which starts at 4 in the evening and it lasts till 9 a.m. the next day. So let us look at each of these sessions one by one. The first session, the pre-open market session, that lasts from 9 to 9:15, was introduced in the year 2010 in order to reduce the stock market volatility. Now what do I mean by that? So you see that the normal stock market operating hours, the trading hours, they end at 3:30 in the afternoon. So basically what it means is that a trader or an investor will not be able to buy or sell the shares from 3:30 in the afternoon to 9 a.m. the next day, right? Now what may happen in this case is during this time period there may be certain news about that entity and people may be willing to do multiple buy and sell transactions during the period when the market opens. So now imagine there are lakhs of people placing a buy order at different prices. There are lakhs of people placing sell orders at different prices. So what is going to happen? There is a possibility of lot of volatility in the stock market prices when the market opens. And small traders could suffer due to this volatility that exists when the market opens. Later, as the day progresses, the stock prices generally stabilize or they move in a certain direction. Right? But generally, when the market opens, you see a lot of volatility because there are n number of buy and sell orders that people place. So what happens in this particular pre-open market session is traders can place buy and sell orders. So basically from 9 to 9:08, that is for the first 8 minutes, people can place buy and sell orders. They could be market orders, they could be limit orders. After 9:08, for the next 4 minutes, that is till 9:12, the orders are matched. So basically, let's say if I am saying that I want to buy 100 shares of Infosys at 1000 rupees per share, and there's another seller who also says that he wants to sell some shares at 1000 rupees per share, then our transactions would be matched. Also, during this period, the equilibrium price is determined. Now what it means I'm going to explain in another video in detail. But basically there's a price that gets determined based on the transactions that are placed during the first 8 minutes from 9 to 9:08. And basis this equilibrium price, the opening prices of the stock are determined. And then ultimately from 9:12 to 9:15, that is the last 3 minutes, that's the transition period where the market is transitioning from pre-open to the regular market session. By the way, this pre-open market session facility may not be available to all the investors, so you may have to check with your broker if this facility is available to you. Another point to note, you can place orders only for stocks in Nifty or the stocks that form a part of Sensex. Okay, so now moving to the next session, that is the actual trading hours. So in this particular session, you can place variety of orders. It could be a market order, a limit order, iceberg order, cover order. So I'm going to speak about all these types of orders in the upcoming sessions. But remember that the main market trading hours are from 9:15 to 3:30 in India. Also, it's possible that in future these hours could undergo a change. They may increase considering the RBI payments vision document. Now let's come to the next session, that is the closing session. This closing session lasts from 3:40 that is 10 minutes after the market closure till 4 p.m. Now again, this particular session may not be open to all. It is generally open to traders or brokers. And in this particular session, whatever orders are placed, they get executed at the closing price. That is the price that is determined at 3:30. And then ultimately we have the after market hours or the after market session. So after 4 till 9 a.m. of the next day, you have this after market hour. Now why do you need this session? So many a times what may happen is people may be working, they may not get time to place their orders during the normal trading hours, during the normal market operating hours, and they wish to place the orders after the market hours are closed. So in such a case, they can place the orders after the market closes. However, these orders will be executed only on the next day when the market opens. Now, as far as NSE is concerned, you can place aftermarket orders from 3:45 till 8:57 of the next day, 8:57 morning of the next day. And in case of BSE, you can place the orders from 3:45 after the market closure till 8:59 in the morning next day. And like I said, these orders will be executed when the market opens. So overall, these are the stock market timings in India. And like I said, I will upload few more videos on the different types of market orders. So if you like the content, do subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.